Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your YouTube playlist to Spotify. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you want to transfer a playlist from YouTube to Spotify, you're going to need to use a transfer service because YouTube and Spotify, they don't offer a direct playlist syncing feature, which sucks, but that's okay. So what we need to do is go to our Player App Store and now search for Soundiz. This is playlist transfers. So it's got 500,000 downloads, time recording, and 2,000 reviews. So go ahead and click on install. Now click open. Now there's a few different ways how to sign in. So we can sign in with our Google, Facebook, Apple, Spotify, or we can sign in with a different music service. So I'm going to sign in with my YouTube Music account for this. Then choose your account, click on continue. And now you need to select all here and then click continue again. Then from here, go ahead and choose your playlist. So I'm going to do this one here, one I created earlier. And now I want to click on transfer. Now it says select the destination. I want to go ahead and select Spotify. So select Spotify. Now we need to allow Spotify to connect. So I need to scroll down and click agree. Now I've got two that I want to transfer here. So I want to click confirm. And then we need to configure that playlist. So I'm going to call this music 2. And then we've got a description and click save configurations. Now, depending how many tracks you are, this can take a little bit of time, but generally it's pretty quick. So yeah, time remaining, the process can take a little longer than expected. All right, so playlist partially transferred. So now from here, some tracks couldn't be matched on Spotify, so you might need to manually do this. Now it's going to show you the skip ones. So this one here, and now from here, I can go ahead and click on open on Spotify. And here it is. I've got that one song. It should have been 2, but sometimes, like I said, it's not going to find all tracks.